Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to online classes, grade 9 chemistry. In this video, we are going to learning about new topic, chapter number 2, is matter around us pure? How do we judge whether milk, ghee, butter, salt, spices, mineral water or juice that we buy from the market are pure? Have you ever noticed that the word pure written on the pads of these consumers? For a common person, pure means having no adulteration. But for a scientist, all these things are actually mixtures of different substances and hence not pure. For example, milk is actually mixture of water, fat, proteins, etc. When a scientist says that something is pure, it means that all the constituent particles of that substance are the same in their chemical nature. A pure substance consists of a single type of particles. In other words, a substance is a pure single form of matter. As we look around us, we can see that most of the matter around us exists as a mixture of two or more pure components. For example, seawater, mineral, soil, etc. are all mixtures. What is mixture? A mixture is substance which consists of two or more compounds or elements not chemically combined together. At any two or more substances not chemically combined together. So like examples of mixtures. Air is a mixture of gases like oxygen, nitrogen, argon, carbon dioxide or fluorine and some of the other gases. These are examples of mixtures. The various substances present in a mixture are called as a constituents or components. At any various substances present in a mixture. Like example, you take in other examples of mixtures. Sodium chloride NaCl. So here two or more elements, both are elements. Sodium is one of the element and chlorine is one of the element. Mix it together to form a sodium chloride. This one of the mixture. Or other examples, you can take other examples of mixtures like juice, mixtures. So these are known as a mixture. Types of mixtures. Next topic, types of mixtures. What are the types of mixtures? There are two types. One is homogeneous and another one is heterogeneous. First one is homogeneous mixture. Second one, heterogeneous. Homogeneous and heterogeneous. These are the two types of mixtures. What is homogeneous mixture? Homogeneous mixture uniformly combined. So mix it together. Heterogeneous. Heterogeneous means not uniform. So that means does not mix together. Like you can take examples. Mixtures. Already we discussed it before. What is the definition of mixtures? Now we are discussing types of mixtures. There are two types. One is homogeneous and another one is heterogeneous. What is homogeneous mixture? Homogeneous mixture uniformly combined together. That means uniform composition. At any two substances mixed with two to form new compound. That means new product. Like example, you can take sugar in water. Sugar in water. But take some little quantity of sugar, add in a water. So what will happen? Sugar dissolves. It completely dissolves on water. Other example, sulfur in carbon disulfide and other example, water in alcohol. etc. Water in alcohol. So water and alcohol both are liquid substances. Both are liquids. So both two liquids also completely soluble. The type of solutions or substances are known as homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous. Heterogeneous are non-uniform composition. Non-uniform means not mixed together. Like examples, we can take sand and water. You can mix with sand in a water. That's not soluble. You can observe some different kind of things. Next example, sand and water, sand and salt. So we can easily identify which one is sand particle and other particles are salt. Sugar and salt, but two substances are same color like white. Sugar and salt is not soluble. Both are solid substances. Water and oil. So suppose at any water substance mixed with oil, what will happen? Does not soluble. Does not solve. This type of solutions are known as a heterogeneous. Which of the substances does not soluble on the liquids? Liquid or solid, solid to solid, liquid to liquid. The type of substance is known as a heterogeneous. So in this homogeneous, all solution would be considered as homogeneous. All solution, like solution means completely soluble. Already we discussed examples. This type of solutions are considered as a homogeneous. In this side, heterogeneous is a mixture in which the composition is not uniform throughout the mixture. So in definition of heterogeneous, a mixture in which the composition is not uniform. So not uniform means not completely soluble. So this type of solutions are known as heterogeneous. Definition of homogeneous. A homogeneous mixture is a mixture in which the composition is uniform. So here uniform means completely soluble throughout the mixtures is known as homogeneous. So these are the topic. Other examples of homogeneous already we discussed: sugar in water, water in alcohol, sulfur in carbon dioxide. We can discuss with other examples. These substances homogeneous. Heterogeneous examples: sand and water, and sand and salt, sugar and salt, water and oil, and etc. These are the examples of homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. Next topic, solutions. So what are the solution? How it is considered as a solution? Already we discussed in this topic. Solution. All solution would be considered as homogeneous. So let us discuss next class solutions. Thank you.